Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today's video we're going to be doing something really exciting. Well, at least I think exciting. So I'll give you a bit of a backstory. So basically, I was at this site and I was asked to look at this room, pick out colours, whatever. And in this space, I just saw so much potential. So I thought I'd take measurements and some pictures and whatever, and then shoot a video for you guys to show you guys what I would do if I could go in there and transform the whole space. Like, and when I say transform, I mean transform. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so I really love this room. I just thought the shape of it was really interesting, and yeah, I just thought the shape of it was really interesting. And when I was in the space and I was measuring, I could visualize all these different ways that the room could be, and it was hard to kind of nail down one idea. So I talked to the lady that owned it, and I asked her, like, if what would she want her vibe to be in this space? How does she want to feel in this space? So when she told me what she wanted to feel, what the whole vibe was she wanted to go for, that's when I sat down on the mood board. So I'll insert the mood board like kind of on screen here. Yeah, so the whole kind of vibe was calm, like serene, a bit of luxury, a bit organic, you know, just very relaxed but stylish. That was the whole mood of the space. And I just really love these images because they just feel very like whimsical and just like, oh, come back from a long day, just lay down on the couch, and then you have the beautiful linen curtains and just the beautiful upholstered chairs, and it's just so soft looking, and just the colours and everything tell a really beautiful story. So, and then when I done the mood board, I was like, okay, let's go a bit further, and my battery light is flashing. So then I decided to do a concept board. So in the concept board, I kind of nailed down more specifically what I wanted to put in this space, like regarding furniture, finishes, all that good stuff. So I decided that I wanted to panel. But before I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you like a view of the entire room and some pictures of it, like how it is now, and then I'll get into whatever I want to put into it. So I had the idea to panel around all the room, and then just to leave the chimney breast plate area, the three walls, bare. I was going to put a wallpaper on them. Just it's really beautiful. It's like a cherry blossom and has like pinks and peaches and greys, and it would just tie in the whole space cohesively. So I'm going to put the concept board up on the screen here, and as you can see, I also chose this beautiful upholstered couch, so that will kind of go in underneath the main window when you go into the space, and then in front of the fire, then there'll be two chairs facing that couch, and then a round table in the middle, just to kind of create that kind of conversation area. And also, I think it's the best floor plan that works with the space, because if you notice, it's kind of long. It's just such a beautiful room. Oh my god, I'm looking at it right now and I just love this room so much. So then I chose these two kind of accent chairs. You can see it in the concept board, the brown one, but I decided to change them for the ones I put in my SketchUp model. And yeah, so the one I put in my SketchUp model, they're more like white and they're taller, because I didn't think that there'd be enough space for one of them size chairs, but there is loads of space. Then I have these beautiful textured and patterned pillows, just to add a bit more like dimension and warmth to the space and a bit more interest. So yeah, and I added them, and then a beautiful kind of white plaid throw. It's woolen, so it just adds in that natural fabrics again, just raw, you know, organic, very relaxed and calm feel. And then I have these beautiful linen curtains as well. I chose like a pinky kind of shade, just so it kind of ties in with wallpaper and just brings everything together. And then really I'd love to add like these kind of like purpley kind of, maybe like navy throw pillows and some brown fur ones, just to keep it very earth toned and or jewel toned, and very like back with the mood board, just so it all kind of comes together. And then on the wall, when you just go in the door, I decided to add this amazing mirror. It's like a floor to ceiling mirror, and it's round. Oh, it's just stunning. So it's like very mid-century modern kind of look, and then the chandelier is very kind of that same sort of feel as well. And not everything here is from the same sort of kind of style, but it all just works together so beautifully, and I really love it. My favourite thing is definitely the paneling. I'm obsessed with how it looks and how it just elevates that space, adds a bit more luxury to the space, and frames everything together. So it just, oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. Like, so I really hope you did enjoy this space. I do really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.